Hello everyone. Hello Taurus. Welcome to your weekly readings, career, business and money for the week of 3rd August to 9th August. So let's see Taurus, what's there in store for you. I've shuffled these cards. One more shuffle. So let's see. Two of Pentacles. So this card speaks about also you being in two minds about something, or maybe you are doing a lot of work. There's a lot of more than you can handle. Some of you also have like a lot of work that more than you can handle. So just make a fine balance, otherwise things could go wrong. So you have to be very focused and very balanced, Taurus, as you are right now. You are in a balanced situation. Also for some of you it could be like you wanting to start, you have one business and you want to start another one, or you have a job and you want to invest your time and money into business. So this Two of Pentacle card talks about some of you dealing with more than you can handle, or a job and a business situation together you want to handle, or two businesses together. So you are trying your best, Taurus. This is what I feel, and you need to be focused and alert. That is what I feel, because the waters are rough here. It's a difficult situation what you are dealing with, so stay focused and alert with this card. Knight of Pentacles. So here it's like you are trying to still find out, you are going on a journey, or you're traveling to find out prospects for business or job situation. You're maybe someone, a few of you are already moving towards a new job, and some of you are going regarding business expansion to find out where you could expand your business. So it's basically relocating. It could also talk of relocation. So maybe some of you might relocate, and some of you might move on to the countryside. That is what I feel with this card. But Pentacle card, it's a very well thought, well focused card, and the decision is very well focused. With the Knight of Pentacle. Also it shows that you might be into farming, into organic farming, and related to you could have gardens, you could have renewable energy that you could be working. I mean, these are the things that you might work on. Maybe you are moving your factories, or in those who are want to move their factories to a countryside, from a city to the countryside. This is what I feel for some of you here. So business people might move their their company to a remote location towards the countryside. So this is the Knight of Pentacle. Very well thought decision, moving forward. This is a card of moving forward in the right direction, Taurus. Queen of Rods. So it talks about your nature. You could be like that Queen of Rod energy. It is not gender specific. You could be taking care of your family, you could be taking care of your extended family, you could be taking care of all needs. You could be a source of light in darkness for them, and you are full with love and care for them. There could be with this Two of Pentacle card also, I feel that you need there could be some stressful situation at work or office which you need to balance. As the Queen of Cups, there could be some decisions of a stressful situation at home or in an office, unpleasant situation or fights or anything similar, which is conflicting situations, which you will take care as the Queen of Cups here. This is what I feel. If there is a confusion, you will help out with the confusion. This is the Queen of Rods here. Sorry, Queen of Rods here. Ace of Pentacle, great one. So growth, whatever you are investing in Taurus in August, it's about growth. There will be some money coming in, maybe a job offer for some of you who have worked in the past. So Ace of Pentacle card basically talks about money, or news of money coming to you. It's about growth, it's about expansion, it's about abundance, it's about prosperity coming in. So Ace of Pentacles card, beautiful card, Taurus. This is for you. So I mean, something new, something good news. So money situation is definitely coming for all the business people or job people who are looking. I mean, some materialistic achievement will come to you. Also, this card talks about birth of a child for some Taurians here, baby. I mean, those who are looking. So it's just that it's a very beautiful news for some of you Taurus here. Oh, great. Ace of Rods. So new beginnings, growth. That's what Ace of Pentacles. So it seems that there are a lot of things you have just started, in August or maybe recent past. So you have two Ace of Rods, new communication coming, a communication regarding money, a job situation, a very fruitful situation. So you have Ace of Pentacle, so money situation, communication, all this coming to you this August. Maybe not this week, but because it's an initial energy that you can see, but it will all lead to abundance and prosperity for you in the coming weeks, or maybe this week too. You never know. It depends on how far you have worked. So it's a beautiful card here. So like you might explore new investment opportunities. That might be rewarding. You have a Knight of Pentacle card here. So that might get you some rewards. So this is what I get, Taurus. Finally, something very positive coming to you all. One more card. Queen of Cups. So I feel you have become, you have redefined your values and the way you used to think before. Now you are kinder, you are big hearted. You don't get usually the Taurians are known for their a little anger, and now you are more caring. Maybe situation is that you have become very, very nurturing and caring towards your family. And you are taking care of everything what they need. Maybe even if it's your subordinates, you are really being a very nice, caring person for them, full of love, full of emotions, and you yourself are feeling calmer now. You have dedicated yourself. See, you have Pentacle card, 3 Pentacle cards. So you have dedicated yourself to working. So finally, it is giving you satisfaction. Emotionally, you are balanced. Taurus, this is what I feel here. Now I will just pull out an angel guidance card for this week. Taurus, this is your guidance card which will help you, sail the week smoothly. Memories, cherish memories of your loved ones. So this is your angel guidance card. You need to, whatever, the memories you have of memories of your, loved ones. We all like to cherish those memories. And this week, you can just remember them, and you can just think about them, and it will pass off on a very, very beautiful way. So thank you, Taurus. This is it for this week, and see you in the next week readings. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.